Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the GMMK. Barebones, actually. It's not the full one, it's the Barebones. And I know, I've been buying so many peripherals, like, recently. I haven't even edited my video of unboxing the Aerox 3 or this thing here. But I'm going to do that eventually. Anyway, we have here the GMMK Compact, 60%. Barebones. I'm gonna buy switches soon, but I'm just unboxing the Barebones. So it's gonna be a really quick video. And it's eventually gonna replace my Apex 7 TKL here. So we're gonna unbox it now, and yeah. Okay, so I do have some identifying information here. What the hell, the box is like weird, bro. Yeah, I have identifying information, so I'm not gonna show that. I will, however, show this footage of me peeling this. You know, that's not really a good left seal, I'm not gonna lie. Other side, though. Look, other side is honestly not much more inspiring, but we're gonna open up this seal. Okay, we're just gonna get this little thing here, and then we're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna lay it down one-handed. Oh yeah, it's open already. Let's go. So if we open it up, we have a plastic. We have some protective foam around the actual... Oh, it says heavy, bro. It says, like, as heavy as my Apex 7. What the hell? We have a sticker. That's pretty nice. Thank you, Glorious. We have a manual or something. I don't know. We have the do not eat stuff, which is pretty standard. And then we have a... No, I don't want to ruin the box. We have a USB-C cord, since this is a USB-C version of the GMMK. We have some extra feet, and we have the glorious keycaps in a mini Ziploc bag. I am an amateur video recorder, okay? So don't bully me on my setup. I'm just resting my phone on the keyboard box. So we're just gonna take the board out of its foam. And here it is. It's super duper heavy. Stabilizers aren't too rattly. But here's the board. You can see that PCB here. Hot swap, obviously. 5-pin. Yep, 5-pin. I think it looks like it only has 3 pins. I'm not sure exactly. It's probably fine. Yeah, oh yeah, 5 pins, because there's the weight stuff. There's just weight stuff here. I don't know. Here's the bottom of it. We have a keycap puller that's red and not orange. Yeah, we have a keycap puller here. It's red and not orange. I'm not sure. We have some feet. Yeah, overall, this is the unboxing. I'm going to get switches soon. I'm going to get keycaps soon. And then I'll update you when I get those. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.